There are many products available to choose bathroom storage, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bathroom storage from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Godboat 2-tier over toilet storage. You might think over toilet storage isn't an option if you're tight on floor space in your bathroom, but this freestanding top-of-tank shelf saves the day. If you live in a rental with strict guidelines as to what you can or can't attach to a wall, the Godboat over the toilet storage solves that problem. The unit comes with all the necessary assembly tools and took us about 15 minutes to put together. There are 2 fasteners included to keep the unit upright and attached to the top of the toilet. The top and bottom shelves can each hold up to 15 pounds. This pick fits neatly on the top of a toilet tank without affecting regular use of the toilet. The one drawback is that it is cumbersome to remove everything. If you need to remove the lid of the tank, keep this in mind if you have a temperamental toilet. Product details, dimensions, 12.6 x 12.2 x inches colors, black or white material, alloy steel. Number 2. Sriwattana over the toilet storage cabinet. While other over-the-toilet storage units have limits on customization, this Sriwattana over-the-toilet storage cabinet has a shelf with 3 different height options. Whether you want to store toilet paper rolls or tall hair care and beauty products, you've got the option with this storage unit. The shelves themselves are quite wide. You can even store bath towels if you fold them narrowly enough to fit behind the closed cabinet door. Assembly was easy thanks to clear-cut instructions, labeled pieces, and hardware organized by type. We were happily surprised to see that the pre-drilled holes lined up perfectly. Our toilet was tucked into a narrow space in the bathroom, but we found this storage unit to fit in just perfectly. The toilet lid did hit the unit when open, so keep in mind that if you have baseboard trim like we do, you'll have to place this unit a little further out from the wall. Number 3. Rolanstar 4-tier over the toilet organizer. If you prefer a rustic style, the Rolanstar over the toilet storage is the best option to consider. Assembly was quite easy thanks to clear instructions and labeled parts. It comes with adjustable screw-on feet that ensures the unit stays upright and level. During testing, we noticed that the construction is a bit flimsy, so we were happy to have the wall anchors to make it sturdier. It's worth noting that this might not be the right option if you live in a rental with strict rules about drilling into walls. This unit offers plenty of storage, though we would have preferred the shelf height to be adjustable. The depth of the shelves is too narrow for bath towels, but we found it held washcloths, hand towels, and storage baskets with ease. Product details, dimensions, 23.6 x 68 x 9.4 inches colors, gray, rustic brown, white material, engineered wood. Number 4. Homykic bamboo over the toilet storage. We were impressed with the high-quality construction of the Homykic over the toilet storage. The shelves are quite roomy. When experimenting with storage options, we found we could put a whopping 16 rolls or toilet paper on one shelf. We also tried baskets of various sizes and found there was plenty of room for it all, including some pieces of decor too. While there are no doors or hidden storage, we liked that it features 3 hooks for hanging towels and washcloths. It comes in 5 different colors, but we liked the white because it can fit in any decor. Assembly was quite easy with this over-toilet storage space, although it was a bit tricky having to add the bottom support bar once the shelf is in place. We appreciated that there were 2 height options for installing that support bar, so there's no concern about the toilet's plumbing getting in the way of your new storage space. Product details, dimensions, 24.8 x 66.73 x 10. Number 5. UTEX 3-shelf bathroom organizer. If you've written off over the toilet storage as big hulking units that don't allow you easy access to the toilet itself, you'll be happily surprised by the sleek design of the UTEX 3-shelf bathroom organizer. We were surprised by how much this storage unit can hold. The bottom shelf alone held 8 rolls of toilet paper, and the other 2 allowed us to basically clear off our bathroom counter with all the items it could store. We liked that the shelves were similar in size, so we could shift around items and to better organize things. Assembly was super easy thanks to easy-to-follow instructions that helped us make sense of the many pieces and screws to put together. Just note that you'll need both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, plus a partner to make this part go faster. It also took us about 40 minutes to complete. Product details, dimensions, 25.1 x 61. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.